Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ochi and I make videos on food, beauty, and travel. And for today, I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So it's this look. If it doesn't look like I have makeup on, well, naka-makeup na po ako sa lagay na to. And this is what I'm going to be showing you today. So if you want to see how I made this look, keep on watching. Today I'm going to show you
they see me rolling
what I basically put on my face. I decided to start putting on makeup when I was breaking out. This was around last year because I was breaking out so much and I had to conceal a lot of marks and acne on my face. So I decided to learn how to do makeup. So this was my routine before pa, nung may acne pa ako. And I've sort of carried on the routine until now. Like, this is the only way I know how to put makeup on. Dami ko sinasabi, but let's go, let's start. I've already moisturized my face, so that's how I usually start. I tone and then I moisturize, and then I start with, ta-da! I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who uses this type of primer. Very popular siya amongst a lot of people because it's super mura. This is the Quick Effects No Shine Mattifier. So, ito yung primer na ginagamit ko. Lalagyan ko lang yung buong face so that maganda yung lapat ng foundation. Okay, so you just put it all over your face. Hindi talaga ako nag-ayos ng hair pag nagna-makeup, but I just bought these parang Velcro strips that you can put on your hair kasi marami ang baby hair. Let's see if it's effective. Why naman siya effective? Do I look silly? I got the black ones para I don't look so silly. Okay, I usually start off with my kilay. So I use Nichido brow pencil and dark brown. Mas sanay ako mag-pencil, or actually ito lang yung tanging way din naman kung paano ako mag-kilay. I don't know any other way how to put on kilay. So again, I'm not gonna talk while putting on kilay because you know me, I can multitask when doing my kilay. So let's see. And then after that, I use this Nichido brow gel. I've seen a lot of other brow gels, pero medyo mahal eh. I guarantee this is very effective. Like, you can go party and all, and your kilay is still going to be there. So, there, I think that's fine. So after I do my brows, I usually prefer to go with my foundation first. So right now, and this is for people with acne scars and acne pits kasi if you guys watch my how I got rid of my acne video, you will know that I have a lot of acne pits. Yun pala yung proper term for them. When I was doing the video, I was sort of parang grasping for words because I didn't know the right term if I would call them acne scars kasi hindi naman sila really scars, but I found out the right term. It's acne pits pala. So I'm not sure if you guys can notice in the camera, but I have acne pits dito sa cheeks, part ng cheeks ko kasi nga I broke out really badly last year. So ito foundation na to, it's really the perfect, how do I say it, perfect foundation for me. So before, ang gamit ko is yung L'Oreal Infallible, and then I would combine it with this Maybelline. The reason that I would combine the two is because ang hirap maghanap ng shade for my skin tone, so I would have to combine the two. But now, medyo pumuti ata ako. I've been using like a brightening mask for my scars. So, medyo pumuti ako. Isa na lang ginagamit ko. So, the foundation that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. And so, my shade is 230 Natural Buff. So, ito, perfect siya. Before, nung sobrang lalapan ng acne ko, I also used the Fit Me Poreless, yung Fit Me na concealer. It's very effective. Yun nga, nung sobrang lalapan ng acne ko, and I have my acne pa, acne pits, acne scars, sabay-sabay silang lahat kasi may gumagaling pero may darating din na bago. My routine would be, bago ako mag-foundation, ilalagay ko muna yung concealer. So what it does is, it doesn't only conceal dark spots, but ang ginagawa niya, parang finifilan niya ng konti yung mga acne pits para pag nag-foundation ka na, parang medyo pantay na siya. You know how it is pa nagsesemento ka? I think putting on foundation is a lot like that. Parang sinasemento mo yung face mo, diba? Pero ngayon, hindi na kasi ganun kalala yung acne pits ko. So, hindi na rin ako nag-concealer. Tsaka, ang heavy din kasi niya on the face, and since I'm an oily type of person, ang tacky ng feeling towards the middle of the day or like pagtanghali na, ganon. So, medyo tacky yung feeling. So, I decided to, now na medyo okay na ng konti yung face ko, I decided to do without concealers. So, okay naman siya. Okay, so now that we're done with the foundation, what I do is, isa-set ko lang siya. I don't know how you guys set, pero ako, nagsiset ako buong face. Ganito lang. Kasi nga oily ako. And I don't know if you consider this baking, but I've proven time and again how effective this is for me. Ganito lang ginagawa ko. So what I do is, parang ipapat ko lang siya ng powder and let it stay on for about, siguro mga, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. What I do is just let it sit there. So usually I do this pag paplansyahin ko na yung buhok ko, or I have to like do my curls, do lotion, prepare for my outfit and whatnot. Okay, but for the sake of this video, since hindi naman ako lalakad ng pangmalakasan, or like I'm not gonna go anywhere really important, I'm not gonna set it for a long time. So, bubuff ko na siya, or parang tatanggalin ko na siya. You just brush it off like this. By the way, the one that I used pala for the powder is the Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow, na natutunan ka lang din yan dito sa YouTube. So, I was looking for, ano bang gamit ko before? Coty Airspun. I used Coty Airspun before, kaso nga kasi, sobrang dami kang bayarin sa buhay. Like, I don't have the budget for all those high-end makeup. So, if my choice naman na to go for something cheaper, then I would definitely go for that. Yan, puti na natin, diba? So, since you're super white, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use, this one is LA Colors 3D Blush Contour. Tapos, ang shade niya is Crush. Actually, ang ginagamit ko lang dito, ano siya? Meron siyang highlight, contour, tapos blush. Set talaga, as in, ito na lang kailangan mo. Pero, the only thing I use is the blush. Kasi sobrang ganda ng blush nito. Ito lang yung right kind of blush that I actually want for my face. Not too red, not too pink, not too orange. Parang medyo brownish nga yung tone nito. Parang terracotta brown, ganun. So, ayun, yun yung nilalagay ko sa face. Tapos, sayang kasi, I think I've consumed 3 na of this. Tapos, yung highlight and contour, hindi ko siya ginagagamit. Like, for all purposes talaga. Kasi yung highlighter nito, napakapangit naman. Tapos, the contour one, I think it's too dark for me. Tapos, pag nag-blush on din ako, yeah, I put dito sa gitna again. Tapos, dito, malaki kasi yung noo ko eh. So, baka mabawasan pag naglagay ka ng, di ba dapat contour? But, hindi nga, marunong mag-contour, and I don't really have like a shade for it. Blush on na lang nilalagay ko. And then, so after that, I use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Highlight lang the nose. Highlight this part. And highlight, napanood ko lang din to. I'm not sure if it does you really any good, but sabi nila, if you highlight here, mukha ka daw fresh. Tapos, dito. Very subtle lang tong highlighter na to. That's why I like it. And I think it's something that you can use for every day. Kaya, I love it. Oops. Okay. I think sobra na siya. I think sobra na. Hindi na makataro ang highlighter to. Dagdagan ko pa. Ewan ko, parang hindi ako satisfied. But like, since this is everyday look, I think this is fine. So for the lipstick, this is my everyday lipstick. What I use is Maybelline Matte, whatever. I forgot. Basta the shade is Nude Nuance. So, siya yung hali. And you're done. Tapos, just to like, kasi sobrang powdery nitong look nito. And I love a matte look, but ayoko naman yung sobrang powdery or super dry that it doesn't look natural on your face anymore. So what I do after this is, I spray on this Aloe Face and Body Mist. Yan. Tapos, fresh ka na. Or it doesn't look as dry anymore. Tapos patayuin mo lang siya and you're done. For me, ang tagal. Ang tagal ko mag-makeup. Ito yung ginagawa ko araw-araw. Medyo natatagalan ako kasi I would rather prioritize sleep over putting on makeup. Kaso, you know, hindi perfect ang face natin. So, kailangan natin mag-effort para magmukha naman tayong maayos-ayos pagpasok natin sa trabaho, diba? So, there. That's my everyday makeup routine. parang ano lang siya, no makeup sort of look. And I pretty much stick to the same products because ang hirap mag-try and test with makeup, right? Kasi ang mahal niya, tapos parang you have to test it out for a long period of time. And these products are tried and tested talaga for acne-prone and oily skin, at least for my skin type. As in, I don't break out, nothing happens to my face. I can vouch for these products that I showed you guys on the video. So if you guys have any questions about the look that I made, make sure to hit me up in the comment section below. And if you like the video, make sure that you click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye!